How to check if you are eligible for monetization on Quora. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar search for Quora.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, you'll then be able to find your profile icon. Simply tap onto it, then simply select monetization. Inside here, you want to go ahead and select your country of residence. Then tap on submit. Now once you're here, if you don't see this kind of message in your Quora page, it means that you're probably not eligible. So here's what you need. A supported country, because some please don't get this yet. Your space must follow Quora policies, no scam, no plagiarism. Also, your Stripe account is linked and is DNCs accepted. If a box is red and says not eligible, hover over it. Quora usually spells out what's missing, like payment method required or under $10 earning. So you want to go ahead and link your Stripe, accept the agreement, and then it may take a minute. You want to go ahead and simply apply for the review. So Quora takes around 3 business days, and then you'll be able to see enabled to monetization. If you get that green active status, congrats, every Quora member reading your post contributes to your revenue share. And that is how to know if you're eligible or not. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.